Mastering communication. Level with someone, explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase. Level with someone. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering the nuances of English communication, especially when it comes to building trust and honesty in your conversations. So, let's explore what it means to level with someone, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you use it confidently in your own conversations. To level with someone means to speak honestly and openly with them, sharing true feelings or information without hiding anything. It's about being straightforward and transparent in your communication. When you level with someone, you're putting aside any pretense or deception to ensure that the conversation is grounded in truth and sincerity. Leveling with someone is crucial for several reasons. It builds trust between people. When you're honest, others are more likely to trust you in return. It prevents misunderstandings. Clear and honest communication ensures that both parties understand each other properly. It shows respect. By choosing to be open, you're respecting the other person enough to share the truth with them. Now, let's look at how to incorporate level with someone into your English conversations. I think it's time I leveled with you about how I've been feeling lately. Can you level with me? Are you really happy with the decision we made? She decided to level with her team about the challenges facing the project. Using this phrase appropriately can enhance your communication skills and help you form stronger, more authentic relationships. When learning to use level with someone, here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Don't overuse it. Save this phrase for moments when honesty is crucial, not for everyday small talk. Match your body language to your words. Being honest isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. Ensure the timing is right. Some conversations require privacy or a certain setting to be appropriate. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, level with someone. Remember, mastering phrases like this can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively in English, building stronger connections with those around you. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and use it in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos to boost your English learning journey.